everybody. Today we'll be making another craft and it's going to be a bee puppet. These are the materials you'll be needing as shown in this video. First, we're going to trace the bottom of the foam cup or water bottle to make the bee body. One of them has to be larger than the other one. Make the head and body of the bees by gluing the medium-sized circle to the larger circle as shown. Cut out the bee stripes and antennas. Next, using a paper cutter or scissors, make thin stripes with the black paper. If you don't have the paper cutter, just make straight lines with a ruler and cut along the lines to make the strips. Each strip should be thin. Attach the bee stripes, then add the antennas. If you want to pop a color, you can cut flowers or hearts to add on the antennas. Then glue the googly eyes. After you're done gluing the googly eyes, you're gonna make a cute smiley face. Then you're gonna glue this the craft stick to the back of the bee, and then you'll have a beautiful bumblebee.